Hey guys, I'm Sarthak here, back with another video. Today, we will be talking about how to make thumbnails for your YouTube videos. As you must be knowing, thumbnails are a very important part of a YouTube video. It's the first thing that the viewer sees. So in order to get more views, your thumbnail should be unique and attractive, tempting people to click on it. Today, I've got 3 ways for you to make your own amazing thumbnails for free. Let's get started. Adobe Spark is a great thumbnail creation tool. It has some of the best editing options that are Adobe exclusive. The photos provided are at full HD resolution along with a variety of fonts. It's an easy and simple experience which is very welcoming for new YouTubers. I personally enjoyed creating thumbnails on Spark and I'm sure you will too. One of the best platforms to create thumbnails is VISME.com. Vizme is a versatile content creation tool empowering YouTubers and brands create compelling stories in the form of engaging presentations, videos, graphics, and everything. Vizme by far has some of the best fonts inbuilt and has a huge variety of photos. All of that for free. Creating thumbnails is very easy with it, and I highly recommend you using it. One of the best ways to make thumbnails is at Canva.com. Canva is a graphic design platform that allows us to create social media graphics, presentations, posters, and other visual content. It is available on web, mobile, and integrates millions of images, fonts, templates, and illustrations. Here you can create amazing YouTube thumbnails for free. Making thumbnails like this is just gonna take a few minutes. Guys, if you enjoyed the video, do subscribe to our channel for more exclusive content. Over and out. Guys, if you want to make an amazing YouTube intro, this is the video to check out.